The best features in Google Chrome. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you the best features on Google Chrome. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first feature is the cast tab to another device. You can do this by clicking these three dots and clicking on this cast right here, and you should be able to cast devices that you have near the area. So the second feature is the use of tab groups. So to do so, you can just right click on the tab and click on add tab to a new group right here in order to add it to a new group, and you can customize its color like that. So the third is to search for highlighted text. So for example, we're searching for a random search bar or like a dog. So if you highlight a text right here like this domestic descendant, and when you right click on it, you can click search Google for domestic descendant. So you can now search the highlighted text. So the fourth is to enable live captions. So you can do so by heading over to your three dots, then to your settings, and you should be able to find the live captions when you search for this right here. So here it is. So just click on it and you should be able to enable it. So the next is the switch to guest mode. You can do so by clicking on this profile icon right here, and you can just actually click on guest right here in order to change into guest mode. So the next thing that you can do is to head over to search for open tabs. So we're here again. So in order to search for open tabs, you can just click on this right beside the minimize button, and you will see here all the open tabs that you have and all the recent tabs that you have recently closed. So the next thing is to play video and audio files. To do so, you can just open a video on your browser and you can just drag it right here, and it should be able to play your video like that. So the next thing you can do is to open Task Manager in Chrome. You can do so by clicking these three dots, clicking on settings, and when you click on this three dots again and you click on more tools, you can see this Task Manager right here. So actually this is the Task Manager of Chrome. So the next thing you can do is to customize a new tab page. So this is a new tab page and you can customize it by clicking this Customize Chrome right here, and you can change the theme right here according to what you want it to be. So the next thing that you can do, and the last thing, is to find harmful softwares in it. So to do so, you can just click on three dots, click on settings again, and once you've done that, you can just click and scroll down and you can see this reset settings. Click on reset settings in the original defaults and just click on this reset settings, and that should be able to remove harmful softwares on your Chrome. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know the top helpful features on Google Chrome. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!